Hey guys, how are you? This is me, Samay Sar Jain. Well, as you can see, today's topic, is it alright to ask for worldly favors while reciting and writing the Namokar Mahamantras? Okay? क्या हम संसारिक सुखों के लिए नमोकार मंत्र या फिर नवकार मंत्र जाप सकते हैं और लिख सकते हैं? जवाब है जी हाँ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। आप अवश्य संसारिक सुख को भी मांग सकते हो। लेकिन मैं आप सबको एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ। दरअसल क्या है ना, ये जो नमोकार महामंत्र है, ये पूरे ब्रह्मांड का सबसे बड़ा महामंत्र है। तो इस महामंत्र को आप अगर आप इस महामंत्र को बहुत ही सस्ते चीज़ों के लिए जाप करोगे, आपको अवश्य आपका आपका क्या आपका सारे इच्छाओं और आपका सारे ख्वाहिशें पूरी होंगे। लेकिन आप नमोकार महामंत्र का जो वैल्यू है उसको भी आप कंसिडरेशन में ले लीजिए, क्योंकि नमोकार मंत्र जो है ये दुनिया का महामंत्र है। जैसे कि मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूँ। मान लीजिए कि आपके पास एक 6 कैरेट का हीरे है। ओके, लेट्स से यू हैव गॉट अ 6 कैरेट डायमंड विथ यू which is worth about, let's say, more than $1 million. Okay, let's say you have got a real diamond with you which is more than $1 million US. And then let's say you take that diamond and you go to a fruit seller and let's say you buy a bunch of bananas, and in exchange for those bananas you give the diamond. What will people think of you? I mean, of course you can get the bunch of bananas in exchange for the diamond, but for such a precious thing, for such a valuable thing, you're trading a diamond just for a bunch of bananas. It is possible, but I mean, how cheap would that be? I mean, like, who would be so foolish enough to trade a diamond for a bunch of bananas? So what I'm trying to tell you is, the Namokar Mahamantras, which is the universal king of all mantras and which is the Mahamantra of this entire universe, if you're going to chant that, recite that and write that only for worldly favors, it is as good as, like, it is as good as trading a $1 million diamond for a bunch of bananas. And by the way, when you trade the diamond, you actually lose the diamond. But here, when you chant Namokar Mahamantras, you're not losing the mantras. The mantras will be going into your soul permanently. But in exchange for that, if you're just going to ask, let's say, worldly pleasures, like let's say you want worldly things, goods and services, money, wealth, and luxury products, everything related to physical comforts. So by chanting Namokar Mahamantras, you can get all these things. All your dreams, your endeavors and your goals will be accomplished very easily by chanting and reciting the Namokar Mahamantras. But by chanting those mantras, if you're going to ask only for worldly favors, it is like, you're doing you're asking for a very cheap thing. You're asking for something very cheap while chanting the most powerful mantra. Because the Namokar Mahamantras are very powerful, you should ask something which is also very big in return. So let's say, for example, you can ask, by chanting Namokar Mahamantras, I would like to feel the power of my own soul. I would like to use the power of my mind and soul, and try to heal other people using my mind and soul. Or let's say you want to cure this entire planet let's say there are lots of viruses and diseases in this world. Let's say you want all those diseases to vanish, and for that you're chanting Namokar Mahamantras, then it is something worthwhile. But by chanting Namokar Mahamantras, if you are you are asking for wealth and luxuries and comforts, and that too just for you, not for others. So one, it will become a very selfish reason, and secondly, you will be chanting the most powerful Mahamantras in this entire universe, just for a bunch of wealth. Now that bunch of wealth can be $1 million, $1 billion, or even $1 trillion, or let's say all the wealth in this entire earth, how much ever diamonds, gold, silver, platinum, ruby, sapphire, emeralds, how much ever is there in this entire world, even if you ask all these while chanting Namokar Mahamantras. For Namokar Mahamantras, all these things are very cheap things. For us, it may be a big thing. For us, common people, it may be like, okay, oh my god, $1 million, $1 billion, or $1 trillion. But for the power of Namokar Mahamantras, and for Namokar Mahamantras, even $1 trillion, even a trillion, even a quadrillion dollars, or even infinite amount of wealth, okay, infinite amount of money and wealth is still no match for Namokar Mahamantras. Namokar Mahamantras can help you get all these things, but it is, it's a very cheap thing. Forget about million, billion, trillion and quadrillion. Even as I told you, infinite amount of wealth is still something very cheap in front of the power of Namokar Mahamantras. So what I would suggest all of you is, if you want to ask for worldly favors while chanting Namokar Mahamantras, okay, fine, you can do it, no problem. But along with that, also ask something in connection with spirituality. By chanting Namokar Mahamantras, you can ask that, okay, I want to acquire a lot of good health, wealth, and you want to have lot of success and prosperity in this world. But along with that, I suggest you also ask that, help me to grow spiritually, help me to uplift my spiritualness, or let's say help me to uplift myself in my soul. Okay, help me to grow spiritually and uplift my soul. While reciting Namokar Mahamantras, you can I suggest you also ask for having the capacity to meditate and feel your soul. See, doing meditation and feeling your soul is not something which is very easy to do. So what I will personally suggest you is, whenever you chant Namokar Mahamantras, you also ask Namokar Mahamantras to give you the capacity to feel your soul each time you do meditation. And this will help you to grow spiritually and eventually come on the path of liberation, which is moksha. So as I told you, along with asking for worldly benefits, I would suggest you also ask Namokar Mahamantras for your spiritual upliftment. And that would be something, very meaningful and worthwhile. But just chanting Namokar Mahamantras only for wealth and luxuries and worldly comforts, you will get it. I'm not saying that you will get something less than that. No. By chanting Namokar Mahamantras, whatever you wish to acquire in this world, you can acquire completely or even more than that. But still, by asking only for worldly favors, Namokar Mahamantras being such a powerful Mahamantra, being the king of all mantras in this entire universe, that just requesting it for something very cheap, requesting for something which is very cheap for the mantras, it kind of like doesn't make any sense. So please respect the value of Namokar Mahamantras. And I'm not saying don't ask for worldly favors. If you're having problems in your life, you're facing financial problems, let's say, or let's say you want to achieve a certain goal which is not easy to achieve by, I mean, like, you may have certain goals which not everyone can achieve, or which is something which is extremely difficult to achieve. So in order to support you on your in order to support you in the process of achieving your goals, definitely you can chant Namokar Mahamantras. Okay, definitely you can chant Namokar Mahamantras. And also I've told you in many of my previous videos, if you want, like, if you want instant, like, very quick financial benefit from Namokar Mahamantras, you can even chant Namokar Mahamantras in the reverse direction. Like, the normal form is Namo Arahantanam, Namo Siddhanam, Namo Airiyanam, Namo Uvajjayanam, and Namo Loye Savasahunam. So Namokar Mahamantras, you can even chant it in the reverse direction, like Namo Loye Savasahunam, Namo Uvajjayanam, Namo Airiyanam, Namo Siddhanam, and Namo Arahantanam. So by chanting Namokar Mahamantras in the reverse direction, it will help you to solve your financial problems at the earliest. Okay, let's say you're facing some financial crisis in your life, and you want instant financial gains. So in this case, every day for 26 days to 1 month, and in fact, Namokar Mahamantras, you should chant it for the rest of your lifelong. You should chant it every day. But what I'm trying to tell you, in order to solve financial crisis at the earliest, you can chant Namokar Mahamantras in its reverse form. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to tell you. So yes, in overall, you can chant Namokar Mahamantras to solve your worldly problems, to solve your worldly issues, and to solve your worldly discomforts. And let's say you want to achieve success, you want to acquire a lot of wealth, good health, and you want to get prosperity in life, you can definitely chant Namokar Mahamantras. But as I told you, along with asking for worldly benefits, I really advise you to even ask for your spiritual upliftment. When you recite the Namokar Mahamantras, when you say Namo Arahantanam, try your best, okay? Try your best to feel your soul. And as you chant Namo Arahantanam, Namo Siddhanam, Namo Airiyanam, Namo Uvajjayanam, and Namo Loye Savasahunam, okay, along with asking for worldly favors, even request the Namokar Mahamantras to help you to have the capacity to feel your soul each time you do meditation. So by asking for spiritual and material benefits, that will be something worthwhile. That will be, that value will be worthwhile. So this is what I'm trying to tell you. So can Namokar Mahamantras bring you worldly benefits? Definitely, anytime, any day, any place, anywhere, any time, and any situation, in any century, under any civilization, any time, Namokar Mahamantras can grant you worldly benefits. But I request you to chant Namokar Mahamantras for both worldly and spiritual benefits. And one more thing, even when you chant Namokar Mahamantras for worldly benefits, don't be selfish and only ask for your own benefits. Even ask for other people's benefits. When you chant Namo Arahantanam, Namo Siddhanam, make sure you pray to the Namokar Mahamantras, and ask for the benefit of everyone. You pray, when you chant Namokar Mahamantras, please even pray that not just me, but may poverty in the entire world come to an end. May everyone in this world become wealthy and have a good proper life. And may everyone have good food to eat. May no children and no people in this world and no animal or bird in this world starve to death. May all living beings get good food to eat, and and may all living beings overall become very happy in this world. So even while asking for worldly benefits, ask for the benefit of each and every living being in this world and not only for yourself. So that's it. So this is the end of the video. तो जब भी आप नमोकार महामंत्र को जापना चाहते हो, आप सांसारिक सुख के साथ आपका स्पिरिचुअल अपलिफ्टमेंट के लिए भी आप नमोकार महामंत्र को अवश्य जापिए. बस यही मैसेज था. दैट्स इट गाइज. सो प्लीज़ टेक केयर. सो जस्ट टुडे I'm having little bit of pain in my stomach. I mean due to some sudden weather change or what, I don't know. There is there is little bit of tiredness and you can say not fever but just some little bit of tiredness and some slight pain in my stomach I had today. It is going away now, but just I had maybe due to this sudden weather change and all that. But anyway, I'll be fine very soon. And all of you, please watch, like, share and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that each time whenever I post a new video you can get the notifications. So that's it guys. So take care, and I will end this video over here, and very soon I'll catch all of you with my new video. Till then, take care and good night. Namo Arahantanam, Namo Siddhanam, Namo Airiyanam, Namo Uvajjayanam, Namo Loye, Sauva Sahunam, Eso Panchanamukaro, Sauva Pavapanasano, Mangalanancha Sauvesim, Padamam Havai Mangalam. Jai Jinendra and Jai Siddhatma to all of you. Namokar Mahamantra ki Jai Ho.